Hello, welcome student to techniyojan. Myself Ajit Kumar. Today we'll see the binary addition of two numbers, right? Binary addition of two numbers. So suppose we will take 1 0 1 1 1, right? When we convert it to a decimal format, it will come as 23. Why? This will be 1, right? This will be 1, 2 raised to 0, that means 1. Then 2 raised to 1, that means 2. 2 raised to 2, that means 4. So this sum up to 7. Then this is the 1, then it is 0, that means 2 raised to, how much it is? 2 raised to, it is 3, right? 2 raised to 3, it is 0, that means we can't take a number for addition. Now over here 2 raised to 4, that means 16, right? So 16 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, how much it will be? 16 plus 4, 20, 22 and 23. So it is 23 like this. Okay, then we'll add it by another number. We will take as 1 0 1 1 0, right? So what the calculation it comes? 1, we will calculate for, first of all we'll convert it to decimal format. Then see, now here what it will come? 0 means 2 raised to 1, it is 0. Then 2 raised to 0, it is 0. 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4 format, right? So 2 raised to 1 means 2 is there, 2 raised to 1 is there, 4 and 2, right? And now it is 0, so it is not calculatable. 2 raised to 4, that means 16. So 16 plus 4, how much? 20. 20 plus 2, 22, right? So it is 22. Now we'll see that the binary addition sum ups to 45 or not, because 3 plus 2 5 and this is 4, 45. So we will do here the binary calculation now. Okay, for that I have to mention sum and carry. As you know, when we subtract a binary number or add a binary number, we have to check with sum and carry. So now 1 plus 0, how much it will be? Right, now forget these numbers, forget these numbers. 1 plus 0, how much? The sum will be 1, right? Sum will be 1. So now 1 plus 1, it will be 0, that means sum will be 0 but the carry will be 1, right? In binary addition, as you know all. Then now how much it is? Now carry is 1 is there, right? So now how it come? 1 plus 1, sum will be 0 and again carry will be 1. So 1 is there, right? 1 is there. 1 plus 1, 0 is there, right? 0, and here 1 is there, right? So 0 plus 1, this 0 and this 1, how much it comes? 1. 0 plus 1, 1. That means sum is this 0 and carry is 0, you can say, right? Now means carry is there, right? It is 1, sum is 1. So now carry is there, balanced 1 is there, right? So 1 plus 0, 1, then 1 plus 0, again 1, right? That is 1, carry is there, right? So now 1 plus 1, it is 0, right? And 1 plus 1, you know, it is 0 but the carry is 1. So anything is not there to this left side, so you have to write, mention like this. 1 you have to write over here. You now you are not supposed to write like this, right? So sum and carry, by following these steps we do a binary addition. So let's check, it is 45 or what? So it is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5. So I guess 2 raised to 5 is 32. Here it is 0 0, here it is 2 raised to 3 8, here it is 2 raised to 2 4, here it is 0, here it is 1. So 32 plus 8, that is 40. 40 plus this 44, then 44 plus 1, it is 45. So we came right. So the binary addition is perfect now. So students, this is the binary addition total concept, steps and all. So subscribe the channel, like the video if you like it. See you in the next time, the binary subtraction part. Thank you.